How to add debit card in Remitly. But before that, if you don't know what is Remitly, it is a digital financial services company that specializes in international money transfers, offering fast, secure, and user-friendly platform for sending funds across borders. And now to start adding a debit card to this Remitly, all you need to do is simply sign up your account or go to this platform firstly and install on your mobile application. And after opening it, you should be able to be directed on this page by opening it using your mobile phone. And after that, from here, you will be directed on this dashboard. And now to proceed, on this option below here, the menu, kindly click this manage button. By clicking this manage option, you will be directed in here. And after that, below account details, kindly proceed by simply selecting this payment methods options. In order to proceed, selecting the debit to input in here. And from here, just simply choose your payment method by clicking add button on the top right corner in here. By clicking add, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select the card and fill out the payment details including your debit card number, expiration date, security code, the name on the card, and even your billing address in here. And click save button once you're now done entering all of the details of your card. But overall, that is just basically who you can add debit card in Remitly.